So welcome back to the next video. This is the third video in this section. So the third video, I said I'm going to explain about this information. This is your dashboard and a reseller. For you to be able to make any transaction in this side, you need to upgrade your account to be a reseller here. So that's after funding your wallet. I'll click on this. After clicking on this, you'll be able to see take you to the reseller page. Okay, here is the upgrade fee. The upgrade fee you need to pay for you to be a reseller in this site, for you to be able to carry out any transaction in this site, is 5,000 naira. So the moment you have this 5,000 naira in your wallet, after funding your wallet, and you click on upgrade to reseller, you'll be able to see the information here and will give you the permission to be a reseller here, as after the 5,000 naira have been deducted from your account. So from that, any money you are going to put into your account is just going to be the one you'll be using for you to be doing your activities on the site. And it should be noted that a fee of 50 naira is always charged for every transfer that you want to make into your wallet, so that should be taken note. Then we also have Auto Bank. So Auto Bank here, like I said, is our wallet, the normal bank that was generated for you. So here is it. If you want to transfer, you can transfer from any means for you to be able to have money into your account. This is your wallet account number. Then Auto Bank here. Auto Bank here, you are going to use this Auto Bank to be able to fund your wallet automatically too. So we have an option for Auto Bank. We only have one option currently for Auto Bank. So we have two options. So okay, Paystack, and we also have Dash Data manual payment. So for Paystack here, the moment you click on Paystack and click on Pay Now, I'm going to ask you how much amount you want to pay. Okay, let's take for example now. Okay, we have deposit limit 100 to 90,000 naira. Charge of 50 naira will be deducted, and you input the amount here that you want to pay, confirm and follow the necessary steps for you to be able to pay. Then we also have the buy data here, buy airtime, print recharge card, cable subscription, electricity bill, education payment, betting payment for those that are using Bet, other Bet Nigeria, Bet Kings, and any of those platforms you're trying to pay. But this currently is not available. We are not using this. Then insurance payment. So if you have any question, any help, anything you want us to be able to assist you with, you can quickly chat us using this WhatsApp icon here. Just click on this and it will take you automatically to our WhatsApp number here for you to be able to chat. If you want to log out, you click on this to log out. So let me just take us to dashboard and perform one or two transactions here. I want to perform two transactions using this class function now. So the first transaction I'm going to do is to recharge 15 naira MTN to account. Okay, so that you should be able to see. This is MTN airtime charge. Okay, you input the phone number 080. Okay, you put the amount and to transfer, say 15 naira here. So you click on submit. So after clicking on submit, you wait. You see transaction successful at the top here. So you can hear the sound. Just receive the 15 naira here. So if you also want to check your transaction, you can either go up here or go back to the dashboard here. Take me to transaction. So you'll be able to see all the necessary transactions you have done. So this is the 15 49.25 at this time about 55, charge of 0.5, and post balance. The detail is MTN BTU to this number and the date. So any transaction you have done in the site, this is where you are going to see any of those transactions here. So take us to the dashboard again. And the last thing I would like to do now is just to print the recharge card. of MTN. So here say purchase EP. I'm going to buy APN. So select either MTN, Glo, or this amount or anything. So I want an MTN card. How many quantity do I want? One. Then amount 100 naira. We have three denominator, 100 naira, 200 and 500. So I'll just click on the 100 naira. How many quantity do I want? One. I'll click on submit. So after that, you wait. And you see success. So mobile network, this is the mobile network MTN. This is the serial number and this is the PIN. The amount is 100 naira, and this recharge card transaction date 8/14/2022 and time is 11:03. The recharge card is normally recharged using *555 *, PIN number here. So after that, you will now type the hash, the normal manner that you are used to. Normal *555, not *3551. Please take note. So there's the recharge card here. So let me quickly take this and attach to my phone. So that's the entire thing I want to show us about this. Then maybe I just take one option here for data. Let's take us to the data page here. Okay, if you want to buy data, I have MTN data. If you click here, so you select the plan. You get MTN 500 MB, 1 gig 245, SME 490. All of this, after selecting that, you input the mobile number here and click on submit. So that's all what you can cover in this video. After every other thing, you know, if you want to log out, you just click on the log out. So if you have any question, please kindly chat us up using this WhatsApp icon here, or you can call my number. So thank you and stay blessed.